Hello everyone, I'm Ju from SANWA Overseas Sales. Today I'd like to instruct how to use our new ESC, Super VORTEX Generation 2. Our movie user manual consists of the following 5 topics. Movie1, Overview. Movie2, Transmitter Setup and Calculation of Throttle endpoints. Movie3, How to change the programming mode values by the ESC setup button. Movie4, How to change the programming mode values by SSL system, transmitter's remote setting. Movie5, How to change the programming mode values by program box. This is the first movie. In this movie, I will give you an overview of Super VORTEX Generation 2. Okay, now let's begin. Did you already check Super VORTEX Generation 2? This new ESC is fully changed model from the previous Super VORTEX 0. So what is different from the previous model? Firstly, internal and external structures are improved. Rated current is increased by 35% compared with the previous model because of new circuit design and new body structures of full aluminum case, cooling fan, and this new burst cooling duct increase heat dissipation of ESC body. So Super VORTEX Generation 2 will allow you to increase speed, avoiding rising temperature. Secondly, Super VORTEX Generation 2 has new programming mode. For example, throttle punch. It adjusts punch when motor is started by throttle operation. Boost starting RPM and boost acceleration enable more detailed setting for boost. And neutral dead band, it adjusts plane in neutral range. And so on, total 14 different programming mode is available. Because of the increased programming mode, it will be much more easier to find the best setting to match your preference. Thirdly, Super VORTEX Generation 2 is compatible with the improved SSL system, code 10 function of MWS and XSWZ. You can change the values of 10 different programming modes by transmitter's remote setting. And finally, Super VORTEX Generation 2 is compatible with the upcoming optional item, Program Box. By using Program Box, you can change the setting more easily. In addition, you can upgrade the ESC's firmware. As I explained until now, Super VORTEX Generation 2 is our best ever ESC with high performance and new functions. So next, let's unpack this excellent ESC. We will check what's included. ESC, power capacitor, sensor cable, cooling duct, cooling fan, screw for installation of cooling fan, power wire, heat shrink tube, and paper user manual. Okay, let's check each parts and connections by using demonstration unit. Here is LED light, whose color and numbers of flashes indicate the setting conditions. And this is setup button. You will put this button to change the setting. Here is setting port for the optional item Program Box. When you use Program Box, please put lead into here. And here is heatsink. Heatsink will be hot after operation, so take care. To cool down the heatsink, please use cooling duct and cooling fan. Cooling duct is our original new tool. It improves heat dissipation of ESC body. Please put cooling duct like this. And please install cooling fan here and fasten screws and put into fan input like this. Here is sensor input. Please make sure to connect sensor cable to ESC and motor. High-tech ESC is very sensitive, so when you try to connect, you need to be careful about several points. The most important point is polarity. When soldering motor wires to the ESC and your motor, please make sure that wiring matches ABC from the ESC to ABC on your motor. When soldering your battery connector and battery wires to the ESC, please observe the correct polarity. Positive to positive, negative to negative. If the polarity is wrong, it will damage ESC, so please take care. This is power capacitor. It's specially designed capacitor after consideration on voltage and noise. Please make sure to use power capacitor. Connect red to positive, black to negative, and don't let power capacitor contact to drivetrain components. I have one tip of soldering. Do not leave the soldering iron on the mounting post for any longer than is necessary to melt the solder. If the mounting post overheat, it can damage the ESC. A suitably hot soldering should not be left on the mounting post longer than about 5 seconds. If the solder is not melting within 5 seconds, please use a hotter soldering iron. Okay, after all connection and mounting is complete, your car will be like this. This is the end of movie 1. Thank you for your watching. In the next movie 2, I'll instruct transmitter setup and endpoints calibrations.